Do you also feel trouble with how to talk to other people on occasions? If yes, then you are at the right place. Today, we are going to talk about small talk. Welcome everyone. I'm Kriti. I hope you will enjoy the video as much as I did while creating it. So, let's get started. What is small talk? Small talk is friendly conversations between strangers or short conversations about day-to-day matters. These small talks can lead to significant bonds. Also, it can bring about great professional success. Okay, so let's suppose you meet a person during an event. How would you interact with them? Introduce yourself. Hey, I'm John. How may I address you? Hello, I'm Natasha. It's a pleasure to meet you, Natasha. So, here's the tip. Once you know the other person's name, speak it. Now, how to extend the conversation? You may talk about the weather or maybe food. We couldn't ask for a more charming day, could we? Active listening is very important when you are talking to someone. If someone tells you that they like to travel, follow up. You can ask about the places they have visited. It shows that you are listening and showing interest in them. If you like the person you're talking to, you can do one thing to know them more. At the end of a conversation, plan for the next meet. Maybe coffee? Small talks can lead to great relationships. Last but not least, being a good listener and exhibiting interest in the other person are the traits of a good human being. These things make you a respectable person. Thank you so much for watching the video. If you find it helpful, please hit the like and the subscribe button. I would love to hear your comments on this. See ya!